My name's Ben, this is 𝘵𝙜𝙤, and today we're going to bring you something a little bit different, and that is my little Mark III Golf GTI. Why? I have no idea, but just bear with me, we're going to do it. So basically, in 6 years ago, I think, what did I look at that MOT? 2015 was it? I think I took delivery of this beautiful example. It was actually, it belonged to a very close friend of my wife's family. She's more considered family than a friend, to be honest, but basically this car belonged to her mother from new, so this is a genuine one owner car, believe it or not. It's done about 125,000, but it belonged to her mother. Her mother sadly passed away, and the car sat in the garage for some years afterwards, until obviously she decided it was time to clear the house out, and that's where I came along. She didn't know what to do with it. She did have intentions of getting it through an MOT and giving it to one of her nieces, I think it was, but it turned out the insurance and stuff was just crippling for a youngster. So they decided to get rid. It wasn't going to be economical for them to MOT it and get rid of it, so she asked me if I wanted to take it. So basically, that's what I did. I picked it up, did a few bits and bobs. To be fair, it really didn't need much. I think I put a set of brakes on it, did a service, and it flew through an MOT, no problem whatsoever. And I ran it for 12 months, I think, until the MOT ran out again. And at the time, I'd just taken delivery of, I think it was my, I don't know, EcoBoost Fiesta or something like that. So that's where this has been parked since 2016. It's been in the corner of the unit. People have probably seen it. It's been under a cover, tyres gone flat, and it's just been ignored. So I've decided that now's the time, and we're going to take you along for the ride. So what we're saying, we've pulled it out, we've blown the tyres up, put a battery on it, and it fired up. First time, Lee, did it not? Yeah, first time. Little overheating issue, so it looks like it's got a leaky radiator and a stuck thermostat, I think, which got to be expected, I suppose. It's been sat, 5 years, hasn't run. We've also got a sticky power steering pump, a couple of cracked auxiliary belts, and that's it. I've got a couple of rust patches that need sorting out, but that's to be expected. It's, what is it, 20, can't think now, 30, but I don't know. What year is it, 1995? How old does that make it, Al? Where's my calculator? 35 years old, is it? No, 25 years old. 25 years. It's 25 years old, so bit of rust. It's fine. Yeah, it's not bad, to be fair. It's got the bottoms of the front wings are both gone. It's pretty common on these, I think. I'm going to have a look, see if I can find some genuine second-hand wings to put on there. If not, you can buy some decent quality replica, just repair sections. We'll go with them, I think, if I can't find some decent wings, rather than replace them with full Chinese versions that don't normally fit very well. And I'll probably just raise the suspension up a bit. When I got it, I kind of went a bit silly with the whole Euro thing. I put some cheap eBay coilovers on it and slammed it as far as they'd go. As you can see, it's pretty low, which makes it completely impractical. But where I lived at the time, it was, I had a completely flat driveway. It didn't pose me any issues, but Now I've moved house, the kids have moved schools, the school's got massive speed bumps, my drive's dead steep, it just never get there. And to be fair, I think we just need to, you know, I'm going to go backwards and maybe make it sort of a bit more, well, be a bit kinder to it and give it a bit of a restoration. So we're going to do that. I've got some tyres on order from Tweaks, done as a cracking deal on a set of Toyos. I mean, these have sat, you know, like I said, 5 years. It's all cracked, it's let all the air out. I pumped them up. They're not holding air, so we'll chuck a set of tyres on. We'll do a good service, oil filter, everything like that. Thermostat, like I mentioned, I've got a new rad, got a new power steering pump, set of tyres. We'll get it MOT'd initially, so that we can find out if it really does need anything major. I don't think it will. And we'll go from there. We'll probably then start getting the odd bit of paint work done, and yeah, should be all right. Get ready for the summer. Do some cruising. Right, well, I'm going to get this loaded on the ramp and start doing some jobs, but while I'm sat here, I found another job. Look, we need to do a headlining, it's all peeling off. Anyway, if you like this sort of content, please let us know, and make sure you like, subscribe and share. Hit that bell icon to stay notified, and we'll see you in the next video when we hopefully get some jobs done. Ta-da!